Hello, I'm Professor John Grattan. I'm the Acting Vice-Chancellor of Aberystwyth University, and I've always believed that we are an exceptional place to learn and live. And this morning I'm delighted to be able to confirm that our students also agree with that statement. In the National Student Survey, they've rated us as 92% in overall satisfaction. That places us in the top 10 in the UK, the best university in Wales, and also better than any Russell Group university. And that really is a great source of pride to us, that our students recognise that we are an exceptional place to live and to study. So we're delighted by that result, because it means that we're listening to our students, we're thinking about their needs, and we're really trying to deliver for them, and that's very, very important to us. We're also delivering in terms of employability. Not only have we got 92% satisfaction for the quality of our teaching and the student learning environment, we've also got a 92% rating for our student employability prospects. So within 6 months of graduation, 92% of our students are in full-time employment or engaged in further study, which again is an excellent figure. Aberystwyth University delivers research-led teaching delivered by world experts who are tackling some of the grand challenges we face as a society and as a planet at the moment. But we also provide the training and the skills and the environment to really help every student who comes here achieve their dreams, not to get the job that they have to settle for, but the job they really aspire to. And so if you're seriously thinking about going to university, then please take a very, very long and hard look at Aberystwyth University. We're not a standard urban red brick, we're an exceptional place in an exceptional environment, and I think if you came to visit us and came to one of our open days, you would only agree with that statement. So I look forward to seeing you in the autumn and the spring at one of our open days. Thank you very much.